the Philippine Air Force should look at the possibility of upgrading or acquiring more capable versions of its existing Mach 1.5 capable light jet fighters FA-50 to further beef up its defensive capabilities. Korea Aerospace Industries, KAI, Regional Manager and Chief, Aircraft BD and Sustainment Kim Sang-eung made this remark during the Air Force Symposium at the Marriott Hotel in Pasay City. In his presentation, he recommended to the Philippine Air Force that it acquires 3 upgraded FA-50 squadrons at 3 key points for covering whole Philippine territory and rapid response to threats. Kim also recommended the retrofitting or upgrades of the existing 12 FA-50 in service, making them capable of conducting air-to-ground, air-to-sea, and air-to-air mission objectives. This includes the fitting of these aircraft with an assortment of radar and targeting systems along with a 300-gallon external fuel tank to increase the FA-50 FIS combat range. Kim said these proposals are the most cost-effective solutions to achieve the Philippine Air Force's goal of being a credible air force. Also, he said the FA-50 is the most cost-efficient solution that customers around the world opt to procure as next-generation multi-role fighter aircraft. Kim also said the advanced combat capability of the FA-50 provides customers with more choice for flexible operation. The FA-50s have a top speed of Mach 1.5 or 1.5 times the speed of sound and is capable of being fitted with air-to-air missiles, including the AIM-9, Sidewinder, air-to-air and heat-seeking missiles aside from light automatic cannons and bombs. A total of 12 FA-50s were acquired from Korea Aerospace Industries for 18.9 billion Philippine pesos. The deliveries commenced in November 2015 and were completed in May 2017. The FA-50s were blooded during the Battle for Marawi, which raged for 5 months in 2017.